that good? So I work a 9 to 5, but that doesn't mean I still don't have weekends.
Hello, I'm Jack. This is my girlfriend Kristen.
Hey guys. Oh wait. Sorry.
Today's the first day of the concert. Festival. Excited. I think tonight's Post Malone. So yeah, let's go.
My name is Allie. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, we're headed to the festival now. It's pretty fun. I met these people yesterday, so I'm kind of weird, but they're cool. We're in. Okay, I don't really want to play Fortnite. How about Fort? Bot 2. Oh, it's easy beeps. Easy beeps. Oh, we're live. So we're trying to get food before the next act, because the next act is Dominic Fike and Post Malone. Yep. We gotta wait 4 hours for food. Peep. What'd you get?
Surprise, bro. I already ate. You got
Yeah.
That was fucking good.
Nice. That was Dominic Fike. Next is Post Malone, baby.
Be safe, drink a lot of water or beer. Who's drunk tonight, ladies and gentlemen? That makes 2 of us. Now so many thoughts going through my brain, and now I'm taking these shots over again. Yeah, ooh, it's got to my core.
Wait.
We couldn't turn around till we were upside down. Life, ladies and gentlemen, let's get after it. Come on.
Ready to go? It's time to go.